Hello, I am Jahan. In this video I will show you how to make this type of documents and insert your pictures image file. For example, in this situation we have this folder, the image folder. When I open it, inside we have some images. This is the parts of images. I copy this image's name and paste in our Excel sheets. First of all, I delete documents. When I click the insert comments button, the comments will be added. Now see here. Okay, I add this comments JPG in here. This is the thumbnail. We copy the name and paste in the below. I hit the insert button. Now see here, the screenshot is added. You easily add your product images in like that. If we add in the cells, that will be unlike format. Okay, understand the VBA codings. I post this article in my website. This is the article. When I click this button, you are easily download this practice file, free sources code. This is the sources code. We understand the code explanation. First we add the on error resume. Next, for example, we open the Excel file. If there any random name which have a node folder, then he stop and give the error. We use the on error resume next. If there any error, resume next. Here we define a variable. Picture part has a string, comments box as a comment, I and last row as long. Here we define the last row, cells row count, the column number is 1. And here we add the loop for I. This I generate for long I equal to 2 from the row 2, because we data start of the row 2. In case you data start 4 or 5, you just modify code as per your need. To last row. Last row means until, for example, in case your data have a 100 row and 200 row, then code is easily find out to your last row. Here we add the set part with the cells reference. This picture part I declare the string, then I add the folder location. This is my folder locations. I open a folder and I will show you. This is my folder location, and here cells I, for example, he start to root 2 and column 1 and extension as JPG. If you in case .png, you change it to .png. Existing comments clear. The same loop if there have any existing comments .clear. Create a new comments. Now we use this string box, comments box as comments. Here we add a set comments. There is the same cell value .add comments. What happen when its code run? First of all, the row 2 and column 1 clear comments, then comments is a clear. Here create a new comments in this range. Insert the pictures and resize. Comments box shape fill user picture. Picture is fill. What is a picture? This is a picture path. We have a picture path, we have a location, we have a picture name, we have an extension, then picture is fill. This is a height and this is a width. You change if you like any more bigger or smaller. This is a MSO scale, top left, or you are add in side left or right. For example, I go to the sheets. Now see the top or left or right. If you change top minus 20 and left minus 30, Now see here, the top location and the left location is changed. Now you not maybe understand that there is the first of all height, and there is the top, there is the width, and this is the left. Here we add the comments box dot visible false. If I equal to true, then see here what happen. I run the code. See here, all picture is appear automatically when I run this code. We no need to pair this picture, because when I pair this picture, that is the unlike format. There I use the next I. Loop start from row 2, and when it's reached by next I, then it start from 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the message box we add for display message box comment added. If you like anything like your picture path, for example, here we add comments added for we add the picture path. This is our picture path. We run it. Now see here, comments added. He also every time this pictures, when you this box is to upside in the loop, then first of all we delete some data. We no need to display. We have 3 boxes, and we go to the equal to false. Then I run the code. See here, every time comments will be added, and the picture's name and picture path showing in here. I hope you understand. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.